That sounds like Mrs. Doubtfire. Last time it got cut off. Hello there. Hello. Okay, well anyway. I only have 2% battery. Okay, I'm kind of mad right now. I'm not going to lie. But it's going to be a fast video. Ready? Hang on. I don't think it's... Can you... I don't get it. Oh, yeah. Okay, I'm outside, right? And I was hearing this bird like... And I'm kind of a bird snob now because I used to have this fun bird friend. I used to talk to him. We used to go back and forth. Nobody believed me. So guess what I did? Yep, got proof. It's on the video. Cat podcast or whatever it's called. But now I think it flew to the neighbor's yard. Can you hear it? Cheep, 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 cheep. And I'm like, is that all you got? Yeah, one noise. My other bird friend freaking did like 20.